Hey YouTube, I got here micro USB cables, so here's for the review. So these just came in today, surprisingly on Sunday, and I have a 3-pack Exheed, E-X-H-E-E-D. Expectations exceeded. Step down slim plug, flat cable, dual color, gray and white or black and red, which I didn't really select because for my type of setup here, I just want to blend in with the walls. I don't really want to see it. And it comes with 3 cables. They're 3.5mm auxiliary flat audio stereo cables, stereo. Their package includes a 3-foot, a 6-foot, and a 10-foot male-to-male cable. Links will be down below for it. And they're just seem the best. So we're like $10 maybe. I was looking for something like 10 to 13 bucks. I'm surprised I found something this good. This good. So it says MPN number is EXH201, and they have a lifetime warranty. So if the cable ever goes bad, I don't know I don't know if it's limited or not, but like if a animal chews through it, if anything really happens where it's your fault, who knows, maybe they'll replace it for that. So let's actually jump into this. So stupidly enough, I don't have any freaking thing to open this up with besides for my hands. That's why God gave us hands. Oh, yeah. So, place all the garbage off to the side there. Added the frame. So they have them labeled here. They have little labels, so you know. It has, I don't know if you can see that, 3-foot 1 meter, 6-foot 2 meter, and 10-foot 3 meter. So they have you set on this so you know between the 6 and the 3. But before, I was running off of, that looks like silver, small cord, wasn't enough to even reach from my computer over to my TV, so I wasn't even able to put the audio into my TV. But that's out of the question now. A 3-foot cable should do the trick. That was probably a lot less than 1 foot. It just came for free in a Bluetooth speaker, so they just included it because the speaker was so much money. So we open one of these up, and we get there you go. We get a cool cable where if we actually twist it, it'd be cool. But so yeah, this is a lot longer. That even reaches past this thing, and this thing is decent sized for a table. We have the 6-foot, which surpassed that, and the 10-foot. I at one point bought a 10-foot charger cable. It's charged a little slower. So I hope to see that this keeps the audio sounding great without losing any of the sound. But really, that's all there is to know besides for one thing. So to really test this out, I gotta grab my phone and speaker. So let's grab that, and I'll be right back. So for this, even though I have a smartwatch which is dead, so it doesn't make a difference, but even though I have a smartwatch, I'm turning off the power to the Bluetooth there on my phone, so my phone's Bluetooth isn't on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect one gold-plated side on one end. I'm assuming this twists. Nope, that one actually stays on to one end. That actually fits perfectly. That fits perfectly inside of the little ring. I'm happy I bought this and not something a little like what people claim hi-fi. And then this will definitely fit. And to tell you the truth, auxiliary sounds better than a little better than Bluetooth when it comes to, if you notice the sound.
Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
So for some reason it's not even pairing to my Alexa, which is on. And so I'm just gonna load up here now that I know what that guy on SoundCloud has. Load, load, load. So let's actually start this over. What the heck? Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa. So some sounding aux cables can be horrible. They can make the bass just go away. I've seen that happen. I bought one before. I returned it though, but I mean I bought it. So it made the bass go away. It was crazy. It was just horrible. And it was on one of these really expensive speakers that I had with another aux cable before that just broke. And that actually worked perfectly. But then once I got the new aux cable, it didn't, so I had to return it. So that was just that one. Now, let's actually take this out. 3-foot. And we're going to load up the 10-foot one. Whatever. You don't need to really see that much. So, let's see if that does the same exact effect. Ooh, still fits in there. So I feel like this is just dragging on too long, but you get the point that even the 10-foot wire keeps the same exact sound. It just, wow. So, I mean, I don't even know but it's so good. It was worth all of the money, especially for what came with it and what it looks like. It looks so cool. It just looks so cool. I don't even know what to say. Just if you're looking for aux cables, this may be your way to go. You may want to actually pick this up. You'll just love it. It doesn't even matter. You'll love it. So I don't know. Just please rate, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Check the link down below, and if you're interested, purchase it.